Happy Monday, guys. Starting the day with a load of laundry, switching over the laundry rather. Now, I did not record anything yesterday for a vlog. However, if you head over to my Facebook or my Instagram, and I'm going to link both of these down below, I did record the junior church so that we had. This was the last one before Christmas, so we did a ton of fun, like games and different things during the service. The kids really liked it. So you can watch that if you would like to. And then we are on day number, I don't remember, for the Christmas, 12 Days of Christmas movies. I think it's day 8. So she's opening her day 8. She absolutely loves this movie. We are doing Noel today. And then we're also doing some rock painting because Noel is very much about like spreading Christmas cheer. So this is a newer movie. It's one I recommend every family watching. It's super cute. And she very much likes to, like I said, spread Christmas cheer. So we're doing some Christmas rock painting this afternoon. It is time for me to tidy up the kitchen. I don't have a whole lot to do this morning. It's basically putting some things away. My husband was super amazing, and he brought in all of the groceries and put them away for me this morning. So it's my time to put a few extra things away that he didn't know where they went, and then do the dishes real fast. Next up is Jesus journaling, and then we are watching the All I Want for Christmas is a Puppy. I think it's just called All I Want for Christmas, but it is the movie we were supposed to watch on Friday. We did the activity that went along with this movie, but we never got a chance to watch the movie because our friends ended up staying all day, and we had tons of fun and games and stuff with them. So then we didn't end up doing the movie. So we're doing the movie this morning, and then Glory is opening a couple of her small gifts from the little box. The first one she opened here is something that I knew she would want when I saw it. However, I thought it already had the goo inside of it. I didn't realize the little goo packets come separate. So you put the goo in it and then you kind of spit it out and suck it back up. It's really kind of gross, but she really likes it. She loves this kind of stuff. So huge hit in our house. The next thing she opened was a Pac-Man card game. Now, I know absolutely nothing about this game. I saw it at Five Below while we were out shopping during Black Friday. Knew I had to grab it. She's obsessed with the old Pac-Man, like, old game. So we will see if this is as good as it looks. Next up is a book light. So you hook this on your book and it sheds light on the pages. She loves to read before she goes to bed, but she does not like to get up after she's done and turn the big light off. She also has LED lights around her room, and they aren't quite bright enough to where she likes to read with them. So this should be the solution to that. And last up, she has been wanting kinetic sand all year. So I found this really cute little set of kinetic sand, and it has a dog in it and like some different little things that you dig. She loves surprise things. So I thought this would be something she really enjoyed. Now it is Meal Prep Monday. I've got a couple things I want to get done today. Glory is a huge help when it comes to meal prepping. So first up is Brett's food. His snack and his meal are prepped for the entire week. His snack is cottage cheese, some cut up tomato, and some chicken breast. And then his dinner this week is pasta with red sauce and ground beef. And then for myself, I wanted to make some homemade ranch. Didn't love how this turned out, but it's edible. I don't think anything's going to taste like Hidden Valley Ranch without being 140 calories and a ton of fat for the 2 tablespoons. So for what it is, this is really good. Dinner tonight is some chicken breast with some cubed potatoes and zucchini. This is what they ate. I really like the zucchini, so I had a much bigger portion of the vegetables. And then we sat down and played Pac-Man. So this was a little different than I thought it was going to be. There's a lot more strategy involved. I will say for Glory's age, she just turned 10. She is 4th/5th grade. If you're a homeschooler, you know. If you don't, that's fine. She enjoyed it, but it did take a little bit for her to catch on. And even by the end, she definitely didn't have all of the strategy down, but she did have fun with it. So I would say she's probably the youngest I would buy this game for. But if you have a Pac-Man lover that also loves card games and board games, I would recommend getting this. And like I said, I think I paid $3 or $4 for it. Next up was our Christmas light walk. We are still trying to get our steps in during this Christmas break. It is easier said than done. We've got a lot going on, but I have found it's much more enjoyable, and Glory even doesn't mind it. If 1, I let her stay in pajamas, and 2, we do it at night, so we are walking around seeing all the cool lights. Now it's time to come home and do our rock painting while we watch Noel. This was a lot of fun. This is how our rocks turned out. We got to bed super late tonight, but we had a lot of fun and created a lot of Christmas memories.